This video is 5 hours long, and it's got a jaw-dropping 4.5 million views. And look at this one, 2.7 million views on a 5.5-hour video. Here's another beast, 2.7 million views, 5 hours long. And this monster right here, 2 million views on a 6-hour video. When you've got English language long-form content that's this long, we're talking 5, 6, even 8 hours, pulling in millions of views, you better believe they're making absolutely insane money. We're not talking thousands here, folks. We're talking hundreds of thousands of dollars from a single video. And here's the best part, you don't even have to create these videos manually. No AI tools required, no copy-pasting needed. These complete 5 to 6 hour videos can be created automatically. Let me show you the details and break down exactly how this works. Look at this channel right here. Last month alone, they made an estimated $2,000 from their mobile phone, sitting at home without even creating videos. And check this out, they've got almost 300,000 subscribers with just 250 videos. Every single video follows the exact same format. Let me play one of these videos for you so you can see exactly what this person is doing. Now watch this carefully. In this entire 8-hour video, there's just one small animated video clip that's being repeated over and over again. And on top of that, there's just one music track playing continuously. You're probably wondering how on earth are these super long music videos getting so many views and performing so well? Here's the thing, folks. Many people put on this type of music to fall asleep, and they sleep through the entire video while it keeps playing. That's one major reason these videos perform so well. Here's the second massive reason these videos blow up. The character you see here, this knight, this fighter sitting there resting, is a character from the incredibly popular medieval fantasy category. Medieval fantasy has a gigantic fan base worldwide. We're not talking millions, we're talking hundreds of millions of people who absolutely love medieval fantasy movies, games, and this type of content. Since this picture is created using pixel art style, it captures that exact aesthetic you see in those movies and games from the medieval fantasy genre. This is a category that's insanely popular around the entire world. Western audiences see these pictures, click on these videos, and then the music keeps them there. They either fall asleep or continue working. Bottom line, I've explained the complete strategy to you. Now let's dive into the complete step-by-step process of making these videos. But before we move forward in the video, if you're new to this channel, you absolutely must subscribe right now. And if this video teaches you something valuable, you've got to smash that like button. Now, to create pictures of that knight in different medieval fantasy poses, you need complete image prompts. And you definitely need multiple prompts because you're going to create multiple videos. But here's the deal, you don't need to search for or create these prompts yourself because your brother does that work for you. I hustle so you don't have to. In the description of this video, you'll find a prompt for image creation. It's got detailed instructions written out about what style we need. Then look down here, you've got 5 different scene details for that same knight character. You need to copy this prompt first. Head over to ChatGPT. Once you're there, paste that prompt into the prompt box. Now you'll see there's a placeholder where you need to write your scene description. Go back to the video description and copy the first description. Come back to ChatGPT and paste it at the end of your prompt. Then click the plus button and select the Create Image button. And hit the Enter button and boom, your image has started generating. Check it out, your image is complete. It's the exact same style, created in pixel art with that medieval fantasy knight character, and there's even a fire burning, giving you different types of poses. You can go back to my video description and copy the second, third, or any other scene description, paste it with your master prompt in the prompt box, hit Enter again, and watch your next image start generating. For one video, you only need to download one picture. You can also copy your prompt and head over to piclumen.com. There's a prompt box here too. Paste your prompt, select the 16:9 ratio below, and click the Generate button. Look, images have appeared here too. But if you examine these images, while they're excellent quality, they're not in the pixel art style. These are realistic style pictures that you can use if you want. Otherwise, just create your picture on ChatGPT and make your video. You only need one picture per video on a daily basis. Now your pictures are created, but there's one huge problem remaining. Your pictures are small-sized. You need large-sized pictures. For this, head to Google and type image upscale. Look at the websites that appear. Open the first one. You'll arrive here, click the Upload Image button, and upload your first picture that you downloaded from ChatGPT. Below, you'll see options for 200% or 400%. Select whichever you prefer, then click this button and your processing will start. After a short while, look, your image has been converted and enlarged. Now you need to animate this picture, but we only need the fire burning animation. Our knight, our fighter, will remain still in one place, just lying there. For this, we'll use Pixverse AI. Check this out. You can visit this website. You get 30 free credits daily at absolutely no cost. Click the plus button, upload your large-sized picture. In the prompt box below, write a short prompt. Fire flames are burning, raindrops are dropping slowly, and all other things are still. Boom, your video has started generating. After just a moment of waiting, check it out. Your video is here. And look at these absolutely incredible results. We've got exactly the video we needed. Now you need to come into your video editor. Let me show you some settings, then we'll move on to additional parts we need for this video. Come into your video editor. First, pick up your video clip and bring it down to the timeline. Make it large-sized and adjust it in the center. Now select this video and duplicate it, or you can copy and paste it on your timeline. After copying and pasting 3 to 4 pieces, select all 4 pieces together and duplicate them again. Now select all 8 pieces and duplicate them again. You can quickly duplicate all the pieces this way. Now we need to add some captions at the start of this video. We'll write some welcoming text, ask our audience to subscribe, and write that they're safe here and can rest, just like the channel we're replicating does. Pick up a text box and bring it down to the timeline. First, let's write hello and welcome. Adjust the size and position it somewhere at the top. Add a little black color to the background, or customize it however you like. Move your playhead forward a bit and cut this text layer. In your next text layer, write your next words. You can write, "You're safe here." Move ahead again, cut the text layer, and in the third text box, write something like, "You need rest now," or "Please subscribe and share." Add 3 or 4 text elements in this first 15 to 20 seconds, and then you're done. You don't need to do any other editing here. Now comes the most critical step of our video creation, the music. I'm going to show you exactly where to download music, how to get it, and monetize your channel with that music. I'll explain everything in complete detail. Pay close attention because I'm going to give you 2 absolutely powerful methods to download music that will also get your channel monetized. First, head to Google and type pixabay.com. Once you're on this website, look at the options at the top and click the Music button. You can search for any type of music, calm music, lo-fi music. Use these 2 keywords to search for music here. But here's an even better and more powerful second method. Come into your YouTube audio library. Click once in the search bar and these options will open. Click the Mood button and then click the Calm button. Watch, when you click Calm, this option gets selected. Click the Apply button. Now, all the music that appears here, every single track, you can use. YouTube itself has provided these tracks. You can put them in your videos and you won't have any issues whatsoever. You can get music from Pixabay or from here. Either works perfectly. Once you've downloaded any music track, come back to your video editor. Pick up your music and bring it to the timeline. First, shorten the end length. Cut off the silent part that comes at the end. Now select this music, copy it, and paste it on your timeline. From here on, repeat the exact same process you did with the animation above. Keep copying and pasting the same music throughout this entire video. You can easily create 5 to 6 hour videos following this complete process. And this is exactly how that person is creating content on their channel. Now your work is complete. You must add your channel name or create your logo and definitely place it on one side of this video. Click the export button and download this video to your mobile phone. Final motivation. This is hands down the easiest video creation method in the entire world, and I've just taught it to you completely. But whether you want to earn big money or achieve success, consistent hard work is absolutely essential. If you loved this video, you absolutely must smash that like button. Share this video with your friends too.